Ka Office District Sports Officer DSO East Jaintia Hills District rengkat kajian terilang ke East Jaintia District Sports Association EJDSA Klirian. Haka arpusang trik yayong kelas dang ya kelempung yelek kai balai sengi lenter jong ki kena school kapatip kum ka district level inter-school athletic meets 2024 Hamadan Telang Playground kia East Jaintia Hills District. Ya kini kajian lek kai lawan pli dak Additional Deputy Commissioner Kong JU Kharpuri MCS East Jaintia Hills District. Ha kajing don lang ka District Sports Officer East Jaintia Hills District Kong Stephanie M Rapsang ki record nong kit kam ka EJDSA kumju ki nong kit kam ka WJDSA ki principal bat no hikai na ki school baper ka district. Ha kini kelumpung balai sengi lenter lawan cimbenta daki ap kendai tani ki school. Haka kerdan yelek kai under 14, under 16, but under 18, na kebenta ki kena shenrang bat kena kentai. Haka sengi sedang, ki jinga kop kilong 800 meter, 600 meter but short pun. Haka 800 meter jongka kerdan under 18 girls, la job daka Durka sana na Sunstone Secondary School, Baar Unity Rasmun, bat balai hikad kha ki bedai na Sham Secondary School. Haka under 14 boys, la job da Uwan Chan Rengklem, Wapung Higher Secondary School, Baar Fulnin Star Dekhar, Kliriat Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai Bhalang Rembai, Sanshnong Secondary School. Haka under 14 boys 600 meter, la job da Ufrili Dekhar Nong Sunton UP School, Baar Hipor Kani Sutnga Teluk Secondary School, Bat Balai Susanika Pala Sacred Heart Lamersiang. Haka under 18 girls short put, la job da ka Khen Korlang Rembai Government Secondary School, Baar Banisha Nong Tedu, Bendi Hati Secondary School, Bat Balai Sameri Dekhar, Sham Secondary School.